Hello classmates, for this week's assignment, we're instructed to make an interactive quiz with hidden slides. These hidden slides force the test taker to navigate the quiz through the interactive buttons you will see throughout the quiz. I made my quiz on the proper form for a squat. When clicking the start button, it will take the user to what to expect about the quiz page. This tells them that they will find feedback and other useful knowledge. When clicking the other next button, it will take them to a video review. The video review goes over proper SWOT form, which allows the learner to review the topic and help them through the exam. After the video, they will press the play button to take them to the actual quiz question. When answering the question, the learner will be provided with feedback based on the answer they clicked. If the user clicks question B, it will tell them good try and tell them the characteristics of the squat that they picked and why it's not correct. On the bottom right, they can click review, which will take them to the video review where they can click the link or the embedded image. If the user clicks the correct option, which is option A, it will tell them that they were correct and the characteristics you picked are good for squat form. C will also bring them to an incorrect answer where they will receive feedback. When mapping out my quiz, I decided to use a mapping tool called GetMind that our classmate Nick introduced me to. This tool is very unique and was fairly simple to use. It shows the different paths a learner may find themselves while taking the quiz. As you can see here, the opening slide, the video example, answers, the different paths that could take you, retrying the question, and the blue lines show you where that goes. After creating my storyboard, I used PowerPoint to create the actual quiz. After creating each slide, I hid all the slides but the first in order to ensure the user does not skip through and is forced to navigate using the interactive buttons provided. Each button is hyperlinked to a section of the quiz to allow for an easy flow of the quiz. Lastly, I asked David Ward to review my slideshow quiz and provide feedback. Provided feedback that was very useful, and one piece that was very helpful was the link to my video. Instead of just including the link, I embedded the link in an image that could also attract the user's eyes to that and bring them to a review video. Overall, I believe my project was a success and could definitely see myself using this type of quiz format in the future, within coaching and even a career in teaching. Thank you.